Hi everyone, this is Jayashree here. Welcome back to my channel Lily's Handcraft. Today I am going to show you a hairband making from old clothes. Hope it will be nice to see you. So let's start my video. First I take a long fabric which length is too long. Now folding it, I attach it using hot glue. You can use any fabric glue. After completing one side, attach the second side. This is an old hairband. Enter this into the long fabric and to secure one side, use the glue. Now secure the other side.